Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's this gorgeous little seed card or berries, and this is one of the stamp sets from the new mini catalogue that goes live from January until June of this year. So this was actually a set I got at a convention for free, so I thought I'd share you this card, and actually it's inspired by one we saw made at a convention. And obviously convention was virtual this year, so we didn't actually attend anywhere, we just all did it from home on the computer. So this is the stamp set, and it's called Enjoy the Moment. I'm going to be using this image here and also this sentiment there. And we're going to be stamping in crumb cake, and I've got everything set up here in my stamp apparatus for easy stamping. So let's stamp that down. Okay, perfect. And now I'm just going to clean up my stamp so that I can take it out of the machine without too much hassle and getting everything dirty. And then I'm going to take this out and just set this aside for a second. And I've got here just a little strip of what you call this, of very vanilla. I didn't think I said that we stamped on very vanilla cardstock. And I'm just going to place the sentiment down there. And when I've got the ink pad open, I'm just going to stamp that. Perfect. Close up the ink pad then and put that away. And let's give this a clean as well while we're thinking about it. Okay, so let's take this out, just put this mat back in, store a magnet at the back and set that aside. Okay, so now we're going to cut this piece out freehand because I just found it was easier for me to do it this way. I quite often stamp and then cut. I just find it easier than doing it the other way around, but obviously you can do whatever floats your boat. So I am just cutting with no rhyme or reason. I'm just cutting where I feel I've got too much berry vanilla and I want less of it. So we've got something that looks like that. Okay, we're just going to set this aside for now. We will need it again, but set that aside. Get rid of all these bits, and we're going to just do some very quick colouring, and I'm going to be using the Stampin' blends for this, and then crumb cake and balmy blue. Okay, all I'm going to be doing is just highlighting some of the features here so that it just increases contrast, and I'm just going to do very lightly with my light colour here. I'm just going to do where I think there'll be some shadows. So I'm just coming down. I'm not really paying a huge amount of attention. I'm not going for perfection here. I just want to sort of give an idea of some depth. So now I'm going to go over this again using my darkest colour. I'm just going to darken up these areas where I think there might be some shading. So let's put that aside. Now we're going to bring back our bits here. This is a piece of, what is this colour? I didn't bother to say. Balmy blue. Anyway, we're just going to mat our piece onto here and then cut it out. So let's use some snail and do that. Okay. There we go, like that. And then where's that sentiment? Here it is. we're gonna cut this out and then map this onto our piece of crumb cake as well. So I'm gonna trim her out. Let's do the easy one first. Thing to do. Now let's bring back all our bits. So our card base is crumb cake. So this is the standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Early Espresso Design Series paper from the Family Stacks. And this measures 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And I'm just going to wallop this down on a piece of, what do you call it, crumb cake. And then on top of that I'm going to put our focal image, which is here. And then I'm going to put this up on dimensionals, if I can find them. Here they are, my dimensionals. Look at that. I am stupid, aren't I? Definitely stupid. Oh well. It always makes me happy. Stupid things make me happy, but there you go. I think we can do with happy at the moment. Very much so. So, dump that there. And finishing touches. You know I love my finishing touches. I've got here some of the, what do you call these things? Gilded gems, that's them. And I'm just going to put some on top of my, I'm going to put a smaller one on here, on top of my berries. And there you go. There are 2 cards. What do you think? So, I hope you did enjoy the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, link to my online shop, etc., it will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly virtual card club. I send out the kit to maybe 4 to 5 projects every month, and we will craft together by Facebook Live one evening once a month, so please do check that out. So thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!